Welcome to the Reboot Restore EndPoint Manager. We'll do a high-level overview of most popular features that our users enjoy in managing their Reboot Restore clients. First things first, you'll see this dashboard if you have more than one client connected and gives you an insight into what's happening across your clients. On the interface here, we'll start from the left and go to the right. So on the left-hand side, in the top left, we have an EndPoint Manager menu. This allows you to manage things that are at the endpoint. So you can actually send commands and configure certain settings that are related to the console side. One popular one is scheduling tasks and also setting some alerts for your clients. The other menu across is clients. This menu can be accessed many ways across the interface. This is one of them, and we'll get into that a bit later. And then view, you can change your view across the screens, and of course the good old help menu. On the left-hand side, we have a bunch of preset built-in groups that give you access to clients based on Windows version, based on their statuses, etc. You can also create your own custom ones if you want, and custom groups, as you can see here in this example. You can also right-click on any of these groups. As you can see, you get the same menu to apply any commands to that specific group. Back to the main list, we have one reboot client that's actually live, and same thing, we can right-click on this one, and you see the same menu. You can turn on protection, manage your baseline. There are some power management features you can see here, restart, shutdown. And if the machine's turned off, you can also set up some wake on LAN. You can also do a lot of these features from the task scheduler in the console. Deploy options allows you to install Windows updates, send files, remote run, and even deploy third-party software right from this menu. Under advanced settings, we have license maintenance. This is where you can activate your clients and view license information, such as your expiry date, how many clients you have activated, and more. Below, we have remote control features to share the screen, remote control a client if you're having any troubleshooting issues. You can also see an activity log of that current client.